what that means is that person is highly qualified. That's somebody who is really, really, really interested in what it is you can do for them. We're back into lead magnets. So now you might be there now and thinking, well, what is a lead magnet? Now, a lead magnet is something that is perceived as a higher value. It's something we're going to give to our customers that actually allows us to grab their data. You know, when we talked about that earlier in one of the earlier videos, we're using it for an exchange. It's something that your client's going to go on there and look and go, oh, this is really, really interesting. I want to consume this. This can probably help me right now. So in exchange for that, to download it, they're actually going to give you their contact details, their email, their address, their phone number, whatever it is you want to grab for them in exchange for this product. Now, why are these so useful? They're useful because, again, people consume what it is you've put out in front of them. It places you as an authority with them. And also, in exchange for that, you're getting vital data. And it's so important that you get this data of people, because the more you're able to pull this data through a lead magnet, email addresses, this becomes your asset. This becomes your data that you're able to use in the future to retarget and so on. So lead magnets are essential. Now, there's loads of things you can do to generate a lead magnet, because you might be sitting there and thinking, well, for one, okay, I know what it's for now, but I don't know how to do that. And it's quite simple. It can be cheat sheets. It can be things you've taken from a blog post. It could be PDF files, you know, actual worksheets linked to a video. It can be a little booklet. It can be ebooks. It can be all kinds of things, just anything that you can give to your client in exchange for them to actually, you grab their data and they become your asset on your database. So with a lead magnet, guys, it's not just the case of a lead, of somebody that's just clicked on something randomly and then popped into your database. This is what we call a high qualified lead, because this person has actually looked at your advert, consumed it, then took action upon it. If we think back to Ada, they've had awareness of it, they've been interested, clicked on your lead magnet, they've then made the decision to actually give you their data and take an action on that. So what that means is that person is highly qualified. That's somebody who is really, really, really interested in what it is you can do for them. So they are essential. So these lead magnets just allows you to separate, segment, filter through actually who's the right person for you. So when you start to market, you've got amazing leads to go at straight away.